48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. 48 Laws of Power is an outstanding book by Robert Greene. It tackles human psyche very diligently to help you become powerful. The 48 Laws of Power are not ethical or unethical. They can be used by anyone, anywhere, for the good or the bad, depending upon anyone's own morality. Law number 1. Never outshine the master. Your boss or superior should always feel like they can trust you. You may want to temporarily impress them by showing them your full skills, but that won't work out for you in the long term. Law number 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Your enemies will have no trust to betray, and they will be more generous with their honesty. They will be less likely to become secretly jealous of your accomplishment because they will express their disdain towards you openly. They will have much more to prove, so learn to use their skills for your own benefit. Law number 3. Conceal your intentions. Always be vague about your goals and your attack. Your enemies will be less likely to defend themselves. Law number 4. Always say less than necessary. The less you'll talk, the wiser you'll appear. The more you open your mouth, the more room you are creating for hasty mistakes. Law number 5. So much depends on your reputation. Guard it with your life. Reputation is an asset which you must protect at all costs. Once your reputation gets tarnished, you'll be vulnerable to personal attacks by everyone around you. Law number 6. Court attention at all costs. Stand out from the crowd. Always leave others hanging around to watch your next move. Law number 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Don't waste your time getting your own hands dirty in meaningless tasks. Let others complete tasks for you, but keep the credit to yourself. Law number 8. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Let people approach you. Don't adjust yourself according to them. Let them turn themselves backward for you. Keep your power to yourself and stay in control. Law number 9. Win through your actions, never through arguments. Winning arguments will only stroke your ego. Let your actions speak for your victories. Law number 10. Infection. Avoid the unhappy or the unlucky. Stay away from toxic complainers. They'll only bring you down with them. Law number 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. Don't let people believe that they don't need you. Build on that need. Never take it away. Law number 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. Never let your enemy know what to expect from you. Be deceptively charming. Law number 13. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest, never their mercy or gratitude. Don't ask for help by appealing to someone's humanity. Their dedication to help you out of their goodness of their heart will tire out. Show them how helping you will benefit them. Law number 14. Pose as a friend. Work as a spy. Be friendly with others so you can gain their trust. Work on your own motives side by side. Keep collecting the information you need to work towards your own goals. Law number 15. Crush your enemy totally. Leave no stone unturned. If you want to defeat your enemy, don't let them have the power to destroy you one day for vengeance. Law number 16. Use absence to increase strength and honor. Do not be always available. That is the way to being taken for granted. Your absence will create value for your time and attention. Law number 17. Keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an air of unpredictability. Surprise everyone around you with your actions. Never be too predictable. Break your patterns to intimidate others. Law number 18. Do not build a fortress to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. The crowd hides you, helps you blend in. If you stay alone, you become an easy target. Law number 19. Know who you're dealing with. Do not offend the wrong person. Choose enemies that will help you grow, not plot your revenge. Law number 20. Do not commit to anyone. The only person you need to commit to is yourself. Feign more interest in a situation than you have. Do not invest yourself. Law number 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. The fool never knows of its own foolishness. You should let it stay that way. Stroke the fool's ego. Never let your true intellectual power be shown. Law number 22. Use the surrender tactic. Transform weakness into power. Surrendering instead of reacting will always work in your favor. Your power will be underestimated and you will get your own way every time. Law number 23. Concentrate your forces. Do not deplete your energy by spending it in a scattered way. Use your concentrated defeat to break your obstacles. Law number 24. Play the perfect courtier. Your court politics etiquettes should never be compromised. Do not give anyone any reason to point fingers at you. Law number 25. Recreate yourself. Do not accept the role society gives you. Create your own role to fulfill. Remake yourself to your own potential and redefine yourself for your own interests. Law number 26. Keep your hands clean. Do not take credit for your ulterior actions. Find someone to pin it on. Law number 27. Play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. People need something to believe in. In the past, people had organized religion. In the contemporary times, people are lost and trying to find something to believe in. Give people something to believe in and they will follow your every command. Law number 28. Enter action with boldness. Do not hesitate when faced with difficult decisions. Approach every situation with boldness. Act first, think later. Law number 29. Plan all the way to the end. Plan your journey till the end in detail. Know the obstacles you will face beforehand so you are already prepared to deal with it. Law number 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. Never flaunt the way to your success. If you allow people to see the difficult journey you have taken to get to where you are, your power can be replicated. Law number 31. Control the options. Get others to play with the cards you deal. Give people the illusion of being given a choice. In reality, you are the one that is dealing them the cards. Law number 32. Play to people's fantasies. Most people are looking for a savior. They hardly try to solve their problems themselves. Play the part they want you to play. Law number 33. Discover each man's thumbscrew. Everyone has a weakness, no matter how strong and impenetrable their walls might seem. Make their weakness your strength. Law number 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Work on your presentation. Always keep a dignified appearance. Don't accept anything less than the best. The more you ask for what you want, the more you'll get it. Law number 35. Master the art of timing. Take your time to be fully present in the moment. If you're always in a rush, you won't be able to pay attention to what is really at stake. Strike while the iron is hot. Law number 36. Disdain things you cannot have. Ignoring them is the best revenge. You cannot control your losses in life, but you can control your reaction to them. Count your wins and let the failures go, and they will have no power over you. Law number 37. Create compelling spectacles. Keep your performance spectacular. You will gain only positive attention and your flaws will be automatically hidden. Humans respond most strongly to visual stimuli. Use it to your advantage. Law number 38. Think as you like, but behave like others. Your thoughts are your individual intellectual property, but acting like others do will help you fit in. Stay away from controversy. Law number 39. Stir up waters to catch fish. Stay in control of your emotions, but provoke your enemies to make them lose their power. Law number 40. Despise the free lunch. Anything that is worthwhile will cost you. Money or something else. There is either always an ulterior motive behind a handout, or it just isn't worth paying for. Law number 41. Avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. Create your own path. Do not try to follow the journey of someone else. Their obstacles will be different, and your rewards will be different. Law number 42. Strike the shepherd, and the sheep will scatter. Any group that is trying to stir up trouble will be led by one person. Identify the stirrer, and kill many birds with one stone. Law number 43. Work on the hearts and minds of others. Convince the masses with humanity that appeals to their heart and logic that appeals to their intellect. Law number 44. Disarm and infuriate with the mirror effect. Mirror your enemies to make their flaws important to them. Prey on their weaknesses. Let them fall by offering them companionship for their ideologies, then humiliate them by showing your true opinion of them. Law number 45. Preach the need to change, but never reform too much at once. People want to see changes, and yet they don't want to change themselves. Be gentle with them. Ease them out of their comfort shells step by step. Law number 46. Never appear too perfect. Do not hide your humanity. Seduce others with your flaws, your imperfections. It will save you from the green vice of envy. Law number 47. Do not go past the mark you aimed for. In victory, know when to stop. Don't get cocky. Success and power can madden you. Stay in control of your senses. Law number 48. Assume formlessness. Be flexible. Don't let others predict your next move. Be ready to adapt to the next challenge. The rules of the game may change, but that doesn't mean you can't win.